Skrill, drop it hard.
Alright guys, what's up? JJ's Productions back again with another video. And today is going to be something different. We're going to see if we can start the KX65 or the YZ85 with a freaking pressure washer. Now I cannot wait for this to see if this will work, to see if you can do it with one person. And if you're curious about how I'm going to do this, you're just going to have to wait a couple seconds. So we've got the pressure washer here. I think it's, actually I don't know. 196cc Generac. Is that how you say it? I don't know. But, yeah. So we're going to use that. We're going to use probably Blast. No. We'll probably use Clean to try and start it. Let's go and see if it works. I don't want to be spinning the tire really fast and then just kicking it into gear and it just like hits the rev limiter. If a 2-stroke had a rev limiter, I don't think I'm cheating. I'm just doing it because I don't really want to blow it up, because that just would not be very good. And I'm definitely going to do that for my bike too. But well, that happened. Well, it turns out it ain't gonna work. As you can see, it just sort of locked up, like right away. probably wasn't the best for it. So I'm glad I tried it with this bike instead of mine. Well, it is my bike. So there you go. You cannot start a dirt bike with a pressure washer. But, you know, whatever. Don't try this at home, kids. Yeah. Hope you like this short little video. Maybe we'll go and ride a bit. I'm not really sure. Not sure what I'll do. Thanks, pressure washer, for everything you've done. Thanks, Dirtbike, Kawasaki, KX65. I've been wondering about my Dirtbike helmet camera setup. So I've got this here. I've got this Fox helmet here. 100% goggles. They're pretty mint. I love them. And I've got this mount right here. So it chills right there, usually. And I was wondering if you guys want to see sort of like a motovlog style helmet mount, like right here or something. I'll put a overlay picture right up here. Yeah, and I'm wondering if you guys want to see that, because personally I think it's good because you don't see the side of the helmet or the front, so it's really like it's just better video quality, I think. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see. And I'll also put a poll up here for the fun of it, you know, why not? Till next time, JJS Productions out.
Getting faded.